Welcome to Works and Brewing. My name's Randy. This is a channel that's all about home distillation and brewing. If you remember a few episodes ago, or a few videos ago, we did a sugar wash for a vodka, and we said we were going to do some infusion. We got some ideas from viewers out there. We're going to do some of those. This is something new for me, so it should be pretty interesting. So if this is something that interests you, or you're just interested in the hobby, or just trying to get some ideas, please join us. One thing we need you to do is please subscribe down there. I think it's down on that side. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything. And share us with your friends. So let's get started. Okay, so we're going to do some infusions now. I come up with 5 different ones we're going to do. We're going to do blackberry, we're going to do strawberry basil, black pepper, apple, and mandarin orange. Okay, so what we're going to do, this is new for me, so this is blackberry. What we're going to do is we're going to fill up the pint jar. And I'll try to mash them up just a little bit. Let some of the flavors out of the berry. So what we'll do is we'll fill that up with vodka, and then we'll come by and shake it every day for a couple days and see what happens. We'll taste it. And what we'll end up doing is we'll come back in a few weeks once we think that everything seems to done its thing, and we'll give it a tasting and we'll show you what it comes out to be. Okay, so there's going to be our blackberry. And then the next thing I think we'll do is our strawberries and basil. So what I'll do is I'll get these cut up, cleaned up, put in a jar, and I'll be back. Okay, I got all of my pint jars here finished up. Now I did proof down the vodka down to 80 proof. And so now I'm going to fill up each jar with vodka, and we'll let her sit and let the infusion go, see what happens. Okay, so what we got is, okay, just so you know what we did, this is the blackberry. We took about a half a pint of blackberry and then filled it up full of our vodka, and we muddled the blackberries a little bit before we added the vodka. We got strawberry basil, which we just sliced up the strawberries, add a little bit of fresh basil, and put it in that. Peppercorn. We cracked the peppercorn open, put it in the thing. It's about a 1/4 ounce in there. I thought that was enough. We could always add more if we need to. So there's the black peppercorn. And we got jalapeno. So we took 1 jalapeno, cleaned it, and sliced it up and put in there. This might be one of my favorites, cinnamon and apple. So we diced up 1 apple, or yeah, about 1 apple, and 1 cinnamon stick, and put it in there. And then we got mandarin orange. So that one might turn out pretty fantastic too. So what we'll do is we'll come back. I'll let you know how these all turned out. We'll taste them once we feel that they're ready to go. And then we can maybe filter them through a strainer, get rid of anything that's in the liquid. You know, and then we'll try them. And if it's a hit, we can always make a bigger batch. These are more like trial size, see what we actually do like. So thanks for watching. Enjoy the adventure. See you next time.